Mysteries Unleashed, The Cunning Chronicles of Foxes. Among the immense tapestry of ecosystems that make up the Earth, there are very few organisms that are able to capture the imagination quite like the fox. The fox is a living example of the miracles that may be achieved via the application of evolutionary ingenuity. Its sleek physique, clever brain, and ability to adapt to a broad variety of habitats are all examples of this. Within the scope of this all-encompassing investigation, we delve deeply into the complexity of fox biology, ecology, and behavior, so throwing light on the mysterious world of these fascinating animals. The scientific classification of the fox places it within the family Canidae. It is a member of the genus Vulpes, which includes a wide variety of species that are found all over the world. This genus exemplifies the incredible adaptability and evolutionary diversity of the fox lineage, as seen by the fact that it includes both the recognizable red fox, Vulpes vulpes, and the small finnic fox, Vulpes certa. Fossil data suggests that foxes have been present in a wide variety of habitats across multiple continents, which is consistent with the findings of evolutionary studies that imply foxes may trace their genealogy back millions of years. Foxes have developed a set of physical and behavioral characteristics that have allowed them to thrive in a broad variety of settings, ranging from lush forests to parched deserts. These adaptable characteristics have been acquired through a process of natural selection and adaptation. A slender body, an extended nose, and a bushy tail are the distinguishing characteristics of the fox's physical appearance. Each of these characteristics is perfectly adjusted to the ecological niche and lifestyle of the species. When it comes to locating prey and navigating its environment with pinpoint accuracy, its excellent senses, which include acute hearing and sharp eyesight, serve as indispensable tools. The bushy tail of the fox, which serves several roles beyond merely being an ornament, is one of the most distinguishing characteristics of this animal. The tail of the fox is an essential component in the fox's day-to-day activity and social interactions since it serves as a means of balance, communication, and to provide insulation against the cold. In addition, the rich fur coat of the fox has the ability to give protection against extreme weather conditions, which enables it to flourish in both temperate and polar climes. In their role as scavengers and opportunistic predators, foxes occupy a wide variety of ecological niches. They feed on a wide variety of small animals, birds, insects, and even fruits. It is possible for them to thrive in a wide range of environments, from metropolitan settings to remote wilderness locations, thanks to their adaptable diet and their skilled hunting abilities. Foxes are known to demonstrate a remarkable degree of adaptability and intelligence in their behavior, utilizing devious techniques to the advantage of both their prey and their competitors. When it comes to hunting, foxes exhibit a wide variety of behaviors that are determined by both instinct and taught experience. These behaviors range from sneaking around during the night to hunting together with members of their family. Beginning with courting and finishing in the rearing of young, the life cycle of the fox is comprised of a succession of stages that are intricately planned and in concert with one another. During the breeding season, which normally takes place in the late winter or early spring, married pairs engage in elaborate courtship rituals that include vocalizations, displays, and scent marking. Although the gestation period of foxes varies from species to species, the majority of them last between 50 and 60 days. When it comes to giving birth and raising their young, female foxes, sometimes known as vixens, look for den locations that are located in remote areas. This type of den can be found in subterranean burrows, hollowed-out tree trunks, or dense vegetation, and it serves the purpose of providing protection and refuge for infants who are particularly vulnerable. Fox cubs, also known as kits, are born blind, deaf, and completely reliant on their mother for their survival. They are named after their mother. During the first few weeks of her existence, the vixen devotes her entire being to nursing and caring her young, providing them with warmth, sustenance, and protection from potential predators. In the course of their maturation and development, the young kits gradually emerge from the den, where they are being carefully supervised by their mother as they hone their hunting abilities. Foxes, despite their adaptability and tenacity, are confronted with a wide range of conservation issues that originate from the destruction of their habitat, the encroachment of humans, and the persecution they experience. Fox habitats have been fragmented as a result of urbanization and agricultural expansion, which has led to conflicts with humans and a fall in the quantity of local populations. To address these issues, conservation activities have been launched to encourage cohabitation between humans and foxes. These efforts place an emphasis on the preservation of habitat, the education of the general public, and the implementation of appropriate management techniques. Through the promotion of a deeper comprehension and respect of these charismatic predators, conservationists want to reduce the number of conflicts that occur between humans and wild animals and to ensure the survival of fox populations for future generations. In the vast tapestry of ecosystems that make up our planet, foxes stand out as timeless icons of adaptability, endurance, and inventiveness. Foxes provide a glimpse into the complicated web of life that maintains the diversity of life on our planet by virtue of their complex biology, ecological responsibilities, and behavioral dynamics. In our capacity as stewards of this fragile environment, it is incumbent upon humanity to accept our responsibility as protectors of the wild and to make efforts to save and maintain the ecosystems and species that contribute to the enhancement of our lives. We assure a future in which these wonderful animals will continue to wander the landscapes of our imagination so that they will continue to inspire surprise and offer decades to come by creating harmony between humans and foxes. We invite you to accompany us on a journey to discover the fascinating stories of foxes and the significant impact they have on the ecosystems in which we live. Let's work together to create a future in which foxes and humans coexist peacefully, thereby contributing to the improvement of both the environment and the lives of each other. We would appreciate it if you would interact with us by subscribing, liking this article. Take immediate action to advocate for environmentally responsible practices and conservation initiatives pertaining to foxes in your neighborhood. When we work together, we have the ability to create a more favorable future for these extraordinary creatures as well as for our planet.